Good morning. I'm Duchess.
And I'm Mimi.
And we're Duchess and Mimi, interior decorators. We're here today and going to talk a little bit about decorating your dining room.
Yes, we're going to transform a dining room table. And usually when we come into a home, we often find just one little piece of something sitting on the dining room table. They don't know what to do with it. And so they put it in the middle of the table, and it's quite small. So we are going to transform this look that will transform the whole dining room.
And remember, your dining room table is like the stage in this room. So this is where you want the impact, you want the wow, and that's what we're going to create. We're going to give you a couple of different looks in just a short amount of time. One large arrangement makes a great impact, but then when you add a couple of big candlesticks on the ends, that gives you just a little bit more impact.
And then this is, it's from both sides. You can see it all the way around, so you have to worry about that. You don't want to do a one-sided arrangement on your dining room table.
Yeah, it should look good from all angles. So that's our first look. Now this look is going to be real simple, a little bit more modern.
It looks
Makes
fresh.
a great statement.
Yeah, it looks fresh, and somebody that's doesn't want all that foo-foo, this is a great way to get a lot of look.
It's got height, it's got color, and it's got shine. This is really a great combination of traditional and modern, and we're working a lot in our homes to a lot of our customers don't want to go ultra modern, but they want a little update. So adding a little bit of the modern with the traditional just really blends and updates a house great. This is a typical Duchess and Mimi one-day makeover. A room like this usually just takes an hour to 2 hours, and we come in and collect some of your favorite things and add a few new fresh things and transform an entire room in an afternoon. So give us a call and we'll come out and rework your room in an afternoon.